Hello and welcome. Today I will be showing you how to make a DIY tabletop water fountain quickly. Let's start. So first you have to soak the diyas in the water so that they are soft, and then you can create hole using the butter knife. Plus, if you want, you can also carve the one of the corners of the diya in order to increase the water flow. You will need seashells for decoration, and then some stones also from river for decoration, and then take a glass bowl. It is about 5 inch in diameter, and you can take a disposable plastic plate and carve some holes in it using like a butter knife or nail or something. Add water to the bowl. About half the bowl should be filled, and I've got this submersible water pump which is 2 watt from eBay. It has suction cup which makes it fix on the surface of the bowl, so you can conveniently fix near one of the sides of the bowl, and you can test it, and the water flow is pretty good for a fountain. Now I have this ball pen shell, and I have added insulation tape to it to increase its thickness and such that it can easily go through the plate and fix at the inlet of the pump. You can also use like a small PVC pipe if you want to. Once you have it fixed, you can put the plate so that it's easily set on the top of the bowl, and now you can decorate the top with seashells and stones as per your liking. Now you can arrange the diyas in spiral downward pattern so that the water flows downwards and makes beautiful sound. And that's it. As you can see, it was pretty easy to make such a beautiful water fountain, and this is the look from the side. You can keep it in your drawing room for decoration. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you have liked the video, please click on like button below, and also please subscribe to the channel leadhappy.life, and also visit the website with the same name, leadhappy.life. Thank you.